This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, no speakers or headphones are plugged in on your Windows computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. The first solution is to run the playing audio troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the Playing Audio Troubleshooter and click on Run, corresponding to it. The second solution is to disable and re-enable Realtek High Definition audio driver. Press the Windows key and R key together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command devmgmt.msc and hit Enter to open the Device Manager window. Scroll down to the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers drivers. Expand the list. Right-click on Realtek Audio Driver and select Disable Device. Once disabled, enable it after a few minutes. The third solution is to roll back the Realtek High Definition audio driver. Press the Windows key and R key together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command devmgmt.msc and hit Enter to open the Device Manager window. Scroll down to the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers drivers. Expand the list. Right-click on Realtek Audio Driver and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Select Rollback Driver. The fourth solution is to check or fix the status of the Windows audio service. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. Type the command services.msc and hit Enter to open the Service Manager window. Scroll down to the Windows Audio Service. Double-click on the service to open its properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the settings. The fifth solution is through the elevated Command Prompt window. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated Command Prompt window. Now scroll down to Solution 5 of the original article. Copy the command lines mentioned there. Now, paste them in the elevated Command Prompt window. Hit Enter to execute the commands. The last solution is to update the drivers. To update drivers on your system, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, click on Advanced Options. Now select Optional Updates. If any update is available, please install the same. Now, return to the Windows Update page. Click on Check for Updates. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.